Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix verification failed error on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing this type issue on your Apple ID, that whenever you try to log in or do anything in your Apple ID, you face this type issue that you have verification failed. There was an error connecting to the Apple ID server, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So basically, it's nothing. It's just a network issue. You can easily fix that by doing this simple steps. So the first is that you just have to scroll down your quick centers, and here you just have to make sure that you're connected to internet using your Wi-Fi or cellular data. Or you can also try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. And then go back, open your settings here, go for in general here, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you find any connected VPN, try to disconnect with that, and after that go back, go for the software update section, and you have to make sure that your software is up to date. There's no any pending software updates, and after that go back again, go for date and time settings, and you have to enable this toggle to set your date and time automatically. Then go back and you have to retry if your issue is fixed or not, or if you're still facing the same issue. So go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings. It will not delete your data, so you can easily try this. And after doing that, your issue will be fixed. Or after that, if you're still facing the same issue, you just have to open your settings app again, go for your Apple ID here, go for sign in and security, and here you have to try to change your password of your Apple ID. So to do that, you have to simply tap and change password option. Here verify yourself using your face ID here, and then you have to try to change your password. If you find security delay, you have to start your security delay here, and after security delay you can easily change your Apple ID password. And after changing your password, you have to retry, or if you're still facing the same issue, so you just have to contact with Apple Support. So now to do that, you have to open your Apple Support app here. You can also use Apple Support Web. So select iPhone from here, and then select more option. Now you just have to select something relating to your issue. It might be your App Store, your cellular service, also your iTunes Store. So I'm going to select App Store from here, and then just wait for moments, then select the get more help option, then tap on call us. Now you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number, and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there, and after that your issue will be fixed and you'll not get the same issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.